Hey, this is Goran with Chicagoland Brokers, Team 606 Homes, LLC. This is a status update of one of my investor clients, their rehab in Chicago's Irving Park neighborhood. It's at the, it's cold in here, 4100 block of St. Louis in Irving Park. This is a two-flat, a brick two-flat that's being deconverted to a single-family residence. You can see that the entire first floor has been opened up here. Added framing on the exterior walls for insulation. These TJI joists to allow for the entire span across for this open layout. Kitchen's going to be in this area right here. And sorry about that. Powder room here. Again, this is the first floor. We'll go down to the basement. So what I do, as you know, is I work with investors that I find them properties to fix and flip, rehab, like this one here. This one here I found for an investor client of mine. We're looking to exit on this one at about $700,000. Not sure yet till the finishes are done, but that's our thought on this one. We also do, or I also work with buyers that want to buy direct something like this and have us fix it for them. I don't want to say eliminate the middleman, which is the investor. Investors make somewhere between 80 and 100 grand, 125 grand on these projects. You can save that by, having us find you a property and do it for you like this. Otherwise, you can reach out to us to purchase when it's done. Again, this is going to be somewhere around 700 grand. Take a look at the upstairs. And if you're also interested, somewhere on this post, above this post, most likely I'll have my contact info. If you don't have it, you could always message me here on Facebook. If you're interested in rehabbing like this, possibly, like these clients are doing with this one. You can see the high ceilings here, just about 9.5, almost 10-foot ceiling height here. This is the first bedroom on the second floor. It's going to be 3 bedrooms. Here's a second bedroom. This is going to be the bathroom that's shared for these 2 bedrooms. Washer and dryer will be here on the second floor. And then from here, you're going to walk into your master suite. You have looks like 3 closets here. And this is the master suite. Again, if you're interested in buying something like this for yourself, either as an investment or to move into, I'd be happy to meet with you and discuss what your options or what options I can give you. My phone number direct is 773-273-9155. Again, I'm Goran with Chicagoland Brokers, Team 606 Homes. Reach out to me anytime if you want to discuss. Thanks for watching this update on 4100 block of St. Louis project. Thanks.